Now, of course, this is a rough way to end the day as we've got our crew coming back in here to the boat ramp. And they're being towed in by a jet ski, which is always a tough one. And this is actually a pretty good sized boat to be towed in by a jet ski. I've towed another jet ski with the jet ski, and that wasn't fun. This has got to be even worse. But welcome back, crew, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, and today we are down here visiting 79th. So our jet ski's made his turn in. He's going to have to pull him hard, and they've gotten somebody coming in right beside them on the other ramp to go ahead and add a little complexity to this. So the ski is trying to get him around. He's going to have to get him pulling straight before they swing back into this boat on the other side. And to make it even worse, Cap on the other side just really isn't paying attention, and he's got his stern kicking out now as well. Now he's looking back at the other boat like, bro, what are you doing? But I'm thinking the exact same thing from this guy. You saw them getting towed in. And the courtesy thing to do would have been to let them get towed in without you kind of skipping in on them. But Cap's off the boat here and able to walk her around. And get it pulled over. But oh, the jet ski's getting close to his boat now. And I think the jet ski just hit that boat. I'm not 100% sure as we got shot blocked right here at the end. But I'm pretty sure because our guy, he's not happy about it. Yeah, right here he's telling you hit the boat, bro. I mean, there can't be any damage, right? I mean, it was at like 2 miles an hour. But our dude is not happy about it. And we got another crew getting towed in. Everybody getting towed in here today. And my man is not letting it go. I'm pretty sure the guy in the green hat that's jumping in here as well is actually with this guy on the other boat over here also to the left. I mean, they're not on the same boat, but I'm pretty sure they're boating together. In other words, he's on his own boat, but it's actually with this crew also. And our guy wisely, man, everybody could take a lesson from this one. This is how you prevent things from getting way out of hand. He's calling the officer and the security guard over because he already sees that this is going to escalate. And yeah, it's going to escalate. Here comes the old man. He's walking over there. Come on, guys. You watch this guy get... like, this one kind of blows my mind a little bit. And I'm going to actually point this one out a little. You guys probably won't remember. I do. This is not the first time I recognize these two. And that's how I know they were boating together. I'm telling you now, this is not the first time I've seen this old guy get into an argument and a fight. Literally, the last time I called him, he actually got into a fight down here at the boat ramp. So, we've got 79th securities over here. We've got Wifey in the bow of this boat, kind of trying to figure out what's going on. And now Cap's coming. This guy didn't even hit your boat. And that's the, I mean, this guy was on the dock. He got towed in by the jet ski. And now we're getting over here with Wifey as well. So he kind of, I mean, looks like he's trying to have a fun conversation with her. And then here we go. Pink Shorts is going to jump in on it too. Man, oh man. Why do things always got to get so tense down at the boat ramp? I don't understand, guys. Go about your business. Everybody's on the dock now. Everybody's fine. Nobody's injured. I got a feeling there's no real damage to the other boat. Why? Sometimes I don't understand, I guess. I mean, some people are just going to do what they want to do, I guess. But man, I kind of, like I said, the guy who I feel the worst for in this one is the guy who just got towed in. He's already having a bad day. Think about that one for a second. You're that guy. You just got towed in. You're already probably not in the best mood to begin with. And then you've got two people coming at you for no real reason. I realize this is not the best angle for us. There could be a small scuff that we can't see, but I don't see anything. And again, as I mentioned earlier, the two people being together, you could tell they're just walking away together. The last time they were down here together, they were in a fight as well. So still trying to get out of here. And the officer and them are back down here as the jet skier's trying to pull out. And these guys are kind of telling him to go. And here's the funny thing too. So our guy in the pink shorts who got into it, security's finally told him, hey, you're on a jet ski only ramp. You got to get out of here. So they're kicking him off the ramp that he's on. And he was the first one on any of these ramps. He was there before any of these guys, but they're telling him he's got to move. And our crew over here is struggling as they're kicking out as well. And they pulled him right behind our other guy. Now, I don't want to call the other guy an instigator as well. Somebody obviously hit his boat, and I understand that one gets frustrating too. But there's certain ways to handle it, especially if there's no damage. But I always find it interesting because of the amount of boats I see that get hit down here, especially 79, where people do it. They just hit a boat and they just move on. And I think that's kind of how he got fired up, is he's probably had that happen before, where somebody just knocks his boat, doesn't care, doesn't say anything, and just completely moves on. But this crew winds up getting it pulled over, and our other crew, as we see here, is having to move. Unbelievably, they're still going at it versus pulling their boats out of the water. So at this point, you would figure with the amount of time they've spent arguing with each other and fighting with each other over stuff, they already could have had a truck and trailer down here and probably could have been on about their day, but instead, man, it is what it is, I guess. But let me know your thoughts in the comment on this one. Who was wrong in this? It's a real tough one to call, but thanks for watching, crew. Hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Rants. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at the inlets. My channel, Broncos Guru, does some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.